Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to build a good and efficient cobblestone generator. As you have seen that, like these generators, no, they're just like so stupid and so bad. They are not efficient, and sometimes like cobblestone goes into the lava. Yeah, I hate it. On the other hand, this is a very simple and compact, not quite compact, but an efficient cobblestone generator. So if I stand here and just like mine this, cobblestone will come down infinitely, as you can see. Yeah, like just let me go to the game mode survival so you guys can see how this works. So, like I mine this block, this block, this block, this block. All of this go from a hopper to this chest. As you can see, I have just mined 4 cobblestone. So, like you can just like AFK here and like just what I like to do is like I put a heavy object on my keyboard or keyboard or mouse so that I can like when I go I just mind how I like AFK for an hour a bit. So like I got like a half full chest of cobblestone. Yeah, it's quite efficient and no cobblestone will actually go into lava because all the cobblestone is generated up there. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial, shall we? So, so you require some building blocks and water bucket, lava bucket, redstone, observer, cobblestone, hopper, chest, and I think so. It's yeah, pistons. Yeah, they are kind of the main thing here. Just a second. So, what you're gonna do is place 1, 2, 3, 4. First, we'll like make the collection system. So you just place your the chest and place 4 hoppers like this. One hopper right there, 2, 3, and 4. So once you have done that, place your building block here, and this is really important, guys. Place your observer just like this, so it faces here, and this like little red dot comes here. Like this is very important, guys. Just let me cover up this really quick. So what you're gonna do now is build up like 3 blocks. So this is 1, 2, and 3. And what you're gonna do that just place cobblestone down here. And like all on the hoppers you should place cobblestone. And now we should make we have to make this kind of ring, like surround all the sides except the back. Yeah, except the back. And then what you're gonna do is build 1 block high. Oops. So you might like have a ring here of 5. I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5 by 6 ring. And now you have to decide on which side you have to place water bucket. Like this is really important. So like if I want to place water on this side, so I have to build it like 2 blocks high, maybe. Yeah, 2 blocks high. And then you want to come down here and face upward and place these pistons like this. 4 pistons like that. And what you're gonna do next is fill up this piston row with cobblestone, and then you have to place one block high wall, so it's kind of like 2 blocks high now. Yeah, as you can see. And now on this side, which is like 3 blocks deep, what you're gonna do, you have to place water on each side, so there should be like no flowing water, there should be like this still and steady water. And now on this side, actually I should like cover this up. No, it's fine, I think so. Yeah, so we have to put 2 lava buckets on like this. And like my personal, I prefer to like place glass on above so that it looks nicer, and you just like, it looks nice. So I like to put glass on above it, so you can actually see through it, and if there's like a fault you can just fix it. And now you have, and now like the farm is like kind of 90% done actually. And now you have to place red, now here comes the redstone part, which is like super easy after all. So you see this observer, we have to make, and like kind of we have to connect these pistons with that observer. So how this farm run is, when you like mine the last block, the observer will like observe it and then send a pulse, and then we will collect that, I mean like we will power it using our pistons. So all the pistons will work, and then they will push cobblestone down, and like this cycle will continue, you understand? So just like we have to make a stair kind of thing here, and just connect all these pistons, and like this. And I also recommend to like place a repeater, but if like the actually the redstone is quite strong after all, but it's just like, yeah, sometimes it doesn't work or it glitches out, that's why. And now you just have to place a button right here. So let's play, and just click it once, nothing will happen. That means your farm is like kind of complete. Now let's go to here, and I just quickly move to like switch my game mode to survival. And let's see if this works. Yeah, this works, guys. Actually, just a minute. Okay. I think so. I have done a mistake, guys. Yeah, sorry about the mistake. I think so. We have to put the lava right here. No, not there. Right, second block. Let's see. Now I think it should work. Why is this not working? Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. My bad. Now that should work. Yeah, that's working. You heard that sound. That's how it works. So like all the cobblestone generates there, and when I like mine this block, sorry, just a second. Yeah, the last block, that block, that will observe, the observer will observe it, send a pulse, all these pistons will push the cobblestone down, and that's how it is.